What up, YouTube? Trying to bring y'all an exclusive. Uh, got something up for auction. Y'all can start sending bids if y'all like in the comments or send the contact info somehow. Get in touch with you, number or something. And product I have, I got it on trade. I traded a Kawasaki four wheeler, a big one. It's pretty big. Traded it for this bike. We had problems when I first got it. Some of the problems was minor. Some of the problems was little minor anyway. But other than that, it was fixed. So starting off with this working bike, it run, everything. Just need some minor parts. Headlights, plastic, if that's what you want it to look like on there. Got the grips, everything, thing. See it, light is shining on it. So, nice, yeah. Phone holder on there. I put the little sticker and stuff in the design, paint job into it. But other than that, it's a Yamaha R3 track bike. Have some more parts to go to it. Also, another battery that I wouldn't mind throwing in if the price is right. Uh, I'm asking 35 for the bike, but first person say they got at least three, they can have it. So contact me, send me a message, let me know. I'm located in Dallas, Texas. So if you're in Dallas, Texas, hey, here's your track bike, something to play with, something to toy around with. That's my helmet. That don't come with the bike. Unless you give me the whole 35, you had a helmet too. But other than that, that's my favorite helmet. That's my only helmet. That's the only helmet I've been using since I've been riding. So I've been had it for like 4 years. So there you go. Contact me. You need to contact me on Facebook, Malcolm Bell. Get me on Messenger. Uh, there you go. Thanks.